Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you about the Safari Tour and Grow a Garden Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I can join this event weather. And during this weather, you won't get mutation on your fruits or on your plants, but you will get a lot of rewards. And I just got the level up lollipop, and let's see what we'll get from this weather. Okay, and I got savory egg, and then I'm going to join the car. Wait guys. All right, and this is the car, and it will bring you to a tour around the map. And again, I got safari egg, and let this car take me on a tour on the garden. And yeah, this is so fun guys. We do not get the mutation, but we get rewards, and it's more interactive than the other event weathers. And then here I got the safari seed pack, and yeah, it's so cool. And now it's over. Okay guys, and that's all about the safari tour and grow garden safari update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.